everyone, today I'm going to be sharing with you what I bring in my rose gold Loungefly bag, and this is what I'm going to be bringing when I want to just add a few more extra things for my Disney days, whether I'm at the resort, the parks, or just maybe venturing out and doing something else. This holds just a bit more than the Stony Clover Jumbo Fanny or a small crossbody, so I like that. I have just be able to bring a few more things, especially if I'm making any purchases or my kids are. It just gives me a little bit extra room, so let's get started. Hey guys, let's go to Disney. So today I'm going to be sharing with you what is in my Loungefly bag. Now I love this because not only is it gorgeous, but I could fit quite a bit of stuff in it. Here is a few of the items that fit. I also do add some last minute stuff in the morning, so this is the list of things that I will be adding. As well, I do always carry my stuff bag, and this is full of absolute essentials, so make sure you watch my last What's in My Disney Parks bag so you could see that, because that's an absolute must, and I just add that to my stroller. Now, first of all, I bring just a little wallet with a bit of cash. I actually do need to add some more cash. There's only a little from my last trip. Most of the time my spouse is paying with our one card just to keep everything in one place, but sometimes I might just do arrive with the toddler while he's off with the older kids, so it's nice to have my own money. So I definitely recommend doing that if you're going with your spouse as well. Also, sunblock, you need to apply this every couple hours for it to work, and I love this brand because it is so silky smooth and great for littles. Florida gets hot, so I highly recommend bringing your favorite deodorant that works well for you. This is my favorite because it's so strong. It's kind of like a nice perfume too, which is a little odd, but trust me, if you know, you know. Now, if you are wearing sunglasses of any type, you're going to need some anti-fog wipes, and these are great, and they do a great job cleaning them. Also, make sure you guys are bringing a lip balm because your lips can get burned. So I just bring my favorite one here, and this MAC sparkly lip balm just to go over it, make it a little bit more magical for Disney, and it's super moisturizing as well. In my past videos, I have recommended this light up scrunchie before because it works so great. It really just helps your older kids or even your spouse keep an eye on you, and it's just super pretty. I also recommend a hair clip because it could get super humid, so if you have longer hair, it's really nice to get that off your neck and back. So this is everything I have to share with you. But like I said, make sure you watch that previous video if you haven't, so you can see what's in my stuff bag because it is full of all essential. All enjoyed the video. Make sure you are subscribed to my Instagram if you like my ears, because I will be selling these ears. Every one of them will be absolutely unique, even this one. So if you want a pair of special ears, make sure you are following my Instagram. I'll be launching at the end of September or early October, and like I said, they're all going to be unique. They're much more comfortable than the ears you get at the parks, and they're just absolutely gorgeous in my opinion. So make sure you check that out, and you are thumbsing up these videos so I know you want to keep seeing more content like this. And let me know if you think you will be picking up a Loungefly, or if you think maybe there's a better little backpack out there. I personally prefer tiny bags because I do have back issues, so if you have any favorites, let me know, and I hope you all are doing great. Bye.